let's create and publish an exam. There are two ways to make an exam in Get More Math. The first way is by navigating to the Mixed Review Report. Here, you are able to order any of the columns listed, and then to the left, select the skills that you would like to be on the student's exam. Under Actions, select Create Exam. You are now placed on the Work tab where you can continue to create the exam. Let me explain this process by looking at the second way to make an exam in Get More Math. To do this, you first need to navigate to the Work tab. Suppose we are now testing on Unit 3. By selecting the Unit 3 folder and choosing the blue plus at the bottom, you now select Create Exam and it will be placed in the correct folder. Name your exam and choose Save. Now we need to find skills we want to assess our students on. There is no need to go back through the entire skill bank to find skills to test your students on. Rather, choose the Colleagues in My Work icon and select My Work on the top. Now you see a mirror image of the work on the left side of this tab. Open the Unit 3 folder and you can expand the assignment. Look and determine if that is a skill you would like on the exam. If so, add skill. You can continue this process for each individual skill, or if you hover to the right, you can simply copy all of the skills from an assignment to the exam. You also have the ability to go back to older units and find skills that you would like to add to the exam to create cumulative exams. You will notice there is an assignment in Unit 2 and Unit 1 called Most Missed on Those Exams. I will copy those skills over to Exam 3 because I want to make sure my students truly understand how to do them. Now choose Save. You have two more decisions that you need to make. You need to decide how many of each skill you would like your students to have on the exam. You can also delete skills that you don't want to include on the exam. And then at the top, you need to decide whether every student in the class will get different problems on the exam or if they will get the same problems. Choose Save. Now, if it's time for your students to take the exam, choose Publish. Check the box Shuffle if you would like the program to randomly shuffle the order in which your students see exam problems, and then choose the box Publish for each class that you would like to take the exam. Now select Publish on the bottom. Navigating back to the Classes tab and selecting Exams, you can see Exam 3 is listed, and the slider under Show is on. On a side note, if students will be taking exams on mobile devices, you need to navigate to Settings and enable that option. What that means is now students in their menu bars will see an Exams and Follow-up option. When they select that, they're able to see there is a Unit 3 exam, but they cannot access the exam until the teacher allows it. On the teacher screen, it will tell you the student is trying to access the exam. You can deny it or accept it, or rather than hitting accept for every student, choose auto accept, which will give you a 15-minute window that can be edited to allow students access to begin the exam. Now when students log in, they get a message that a new exam is available. They can now begin the exam.